So today we'll be talking about Linux CLI. So many people who know me very well knows that apart from farming airdrop manually, I used to farm airdrop with bot, that is automating tasks. For example, there are some testnet that it is very hectic. Like you'll be forced to be interacting with them every day, and it's time consuming. So this is the first step that I'm going to talk about how to use termux or termux for farming airdrop automatically using bots. So I will urge you guys, if you need any bots, you can request for it. I'm going to share it. So before you can start using these bots, you have to understand some certain principles and some CLIs, like command line instruction, basically like Linux Ubuntu. So yeah, I will be using termux, but normally I use termux VPS. So let's get started. Now, please take note of this following commands. So if you want to clear all this, if you want to make this page empty in Linux, you just have to use clear. Now, so you just have to use clear. So that's number one. So clear is used for clearing unwanted stuff on termux or termux, anyone. But yeah, I'm using termux. I want to check if I have anything in my directory on this termux. This termux acts or works like your file explorer on Windows, but here you are not seeing them, like they are invisible. Only what you are going to see is a group of words. Yeah, a group of words. So, and you just have to use the CLI to locate them. So unlike Windows, you see it visually, but here only words. So you have to write your CLI to locate them. Now, for example, you can see now I have this is my root directory, my root, empty root. So, and I want to check if I have any hidden files or files here. So if you want to check if you have any file here, we call something ls, which is list directory. You can see now I have many bots here. Yeah, I have many bots here. So I have this Sonic arcade bots. If you remember, those of you Sonic, if you remember Sonic Odyssey, I use this bot to automate 100 transactions per day. So that's how I found the airdrop. Even Plum, I use Blum bots for Telegram app. So I use this bot as well to farm Blum, Fintopio, Emmy, Plume testnets. You can see this Walrus faucet bot. So I use this faucet bot to collect faucets on Walrus on Sui blockchain. Also T3RN, Symfony. So you can see different bots that I have on this directory, on this termux. So I still have more on my terminals on my system. So the command you use on terminals and termux is slightly different, and the difference is the screen. Yeah, you use screen on terminals because you have to keep your bots running 24/7. So that's why you need VPS. But here, if you have a strong battery, a strong phone, so you don't need to buy VPS. You can just run everything here automatically. Now I want to clear it again. You use clear, don't forget. Now let's use ls list directory. Now I want to locate this Sonic bot now. So how can I go about it? Okay, let me say I want to locate this Symfony bot now. How can I go about it? So what you are going to do now is you just copy this Symfony bot. You copy it. There's something we call CD. This one locates your directory for you and make it as root. You just click enter. You see now we have Symfony as our root directory now. If you now press ls, you want to see what is inside this Symfony bot, some files and folders that is inside. You can just press ls. If you press ls, you can see different folders and files we have. You can see this one is a file. The one with white is a file. While the one with blues are folders. That is, they still contain some different files inside them. So that's why they are blue. So the white one you are seeing is files only. So now, sometimes there are some hidden files or folders so that we can't see. So if you want to see everything, you use LA instead of ls. You use LA. So I don't know if LA will work here. It's not working. So, but if you use LA on terminals, it's going to work. Trust me, LA is supposed to work. So it's not working here. So clear now. The next thing is, okay, let me go back to my root directory, the home page. So let me call it home page. You can see the dollar here. So you just have to press CD, then you can see now I'm back to home page. Now if you want to make a folder, just say mkdir, make directory, then you name it. Let me name it as fast mode. Now if you want to know whether we have created this fast mode now, so we use mkdir to create folder, or file in a in what's it called, in Ubuntu Linux. So now let's see if we have our documents have been saved as fast mode. So let's ls. You can see here now. You can see it here now. Fast mode. You can see fast mode here now. You can see it here. Now, if I want to make it as my root directory, I'll just say cd fast mode. Hope you are it is very simple. These commands are very, very simple. So you hit enter, then I'm root on fast mode. Okay, let me say I want to create some files, different files on the IAs. So you just do mkdir again. Let me say name. Mkdir is for creating a file inside a folder on Linux. So let me say age and sex or gender. So you hit enter. Now let's see if all this thing that we have created is inside this fast mode. So you press ls to check what is inside. You can see age, name, sex. Now I want to delete this fast mode from this my machine, Linux. I want to delete. What am I going to do? So if I want to remove this sex now, what am I going to do? Just say rm minus rf, then sex, then you put /. Here you put /, but in termux, when you are using VPS, you don't need to put /. So let's hit enter. Now let's check ls back whether we are going to see sex here again or not. So ls, you see the sex has disappeared. So this is how termux works. Very, very simple. So this is for today. I'm still going to upload more tutorials on Linux CLI. So these are the basic one. So we talk about the clear today. Talk about CD. We talk about ls. We talk about LA. We talk about mkdir, and we talk about rm minus rf. Don't forget, clear is used for clearing, cd is used for locating directory, ls is used for listing folders or directory in a root. So LA also is LA and ls, they are the same thing, but the distinct difference between them is LA will list all hidden folders. Yes. mkdir is for making directory, a new folder, a new file. So why rf removes a file or a folder on your machine, or on our machine. So yeah, see you next time.